Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about TradingView. TradingView is an exceptional online platform that offers a wide range of features and tools for traders and investors of all levels. As a comprehensive financial analysis and charting platform, TradingView has gained immense popularity in trading community, and one of the standout features of TradingView is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Navigating through the platform is very easy, uh, allowing users to quickly access various functionalities. The charts are visual appealing and highly customizable, enabling traders to analyze market trend, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. So here we have, I don't think this is an example. Yes, this is the example. This is the real. So this is graphics for, no, I don't know for what's for it. What is it for? But we have the prices and everything. Let's get started. To get started for $0 forever. Okay, this is a good plan. Free until you are ready. Plans for every level of ambition. We have the Pro, distraction-free trading and investing with more charts, intervals, and indicators. It has lots of key benefits. So the Pro Plus and trade technical analysis for the traders looking to take things to the next level. It has all the advantage of Pro plus all of those. So you can start a free trial for 13 days with any of them. So here we have the premium, highest precision and maximum data to capture all possible opportunities, and is the complete package. It has all of those. So those are the difference between the plans, the basic, don't have charts, don't have social networks, have one chart per tab, and number of saved charts layout 1, and others have multiples till the premium has infinite number of saved charts. So yeah, those are the benefits. Now let's get started with the free plan. Yeah, what are you waiting for? So you need to create an account. They accept Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Google, Apple, and LinkedIn. So I have Twitter, I have Google, I have Facebook. I don't remember what was my Yahoo account, so let's just use Google. Let's continue. Oh, this is not my username. This is, no, I don't want email marketing, and I have read everything. Whoa. This is the first website I see this username taken. Okay, try any of our plans free for 13 days. No? Wait, I got started freely while I'm here. Let's go to the community. Live streams, trade ideas. Let's see the overview. Hi Siri, why Nvidia mooning? What the? Okay. Forex, we have stock, cryptos, and these futures and everything. Those are the trade ideas. Let's go back. Here we have educational ideas. And here on the right, we have the pricing of, okay, here we have Apple, Tesla, Netflix, and many other companies. Their pricing on the actual time now is 21:05:06, and this is the pricing for now and the change with it. for indies, stocks, futures, forex, crypto coins, and others. So we have pin scripts, streams. So TradingView provides a vast selection of technical indicators and drawing tools, giving traders the flexibility to conduct detailed technical analysis. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, the platform caters to your needs with its extensive library of indicators and studies. Another notable aspect of TradingView is its thriving communities. Users can share ideas, strategies, analysis, and through the social features on the platform. This fosters a collaborative environment where traders can learn from one or another and gain insights from different perspectives. Additionally, TradingView allows users to follow and interact and with their favorite traders, creating a sense of community and enhancing the learning experience. So here we have the market overview. You can see all. So let's keep it here. Let's see the US dollar and the price. Wait, what the? Okay, the US dollar, the euro, US stock. We have Apple. We have Amazon. Amazon is in real trouble. Tesla, Netflix. I mean, Netflix. Okay, Netflix is doing great this year. Let's see the all. Okay, Netflix has begun on 2000. No, it's good, but it's some in 2000 almost 22. Yeah, it's 2022. So we have the Meta. Meta is doing great, but it has some bad days. It went from bad days. So I'm not a forex trader or something with this. I'm not even engaged. I don't know anything. I'm just describing what I see. So here we have the new flows, any news. And this website is really easy and user friendly. So in summary, TradingView is a highly recommended platform for traders and investors looking for powerful charting tools, extensive technical analysis capabilities, and a vibrant community with its user-friendly interface, comprehensive market coverage, and collaborative features. TradingView has become the indispensable tool for trading world. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.